Good morning, good morning, good morning. Morning, guys. So as you can see, our view today, and it's too early pa, pero it's so windy na talaga dito. Mahangin yung weather ngayon, guys. Tingnan nyo. So since maaga pa, guys, magluluto muna kami for breakfast namin. So si Jowa yung nag-ano ng fish, guys, kasi di ako marunong. So ito yung mga ulam namin, guys. Perfect for the weather. Fast forward, guys. Tapos na kaming kumain, busog na kami. So, since ganda ng weather at walang init, magtatambay kami doon sa Bahay Kubo, guys. Thank you, guys. Kasama ko si Mama. Magtambay dito. At si Jowa, pero di nakita sa video. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.